Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science concerned with making computers behave like human. Okay, so here we have to make the computers think like human. And the artificial intelligence is defined like this: the study and design of intelligent agents. What is intelligent agent? Intelligent agent is a system that receives the information from the environment and takes the actions such that whatever actions it is taking gives high chances of success. Okay. So intelligent agents are nothing but the systems or programs or something like that. It has to receive the information from the environment and it will be taking the actions. Now, after receiving information, it has to understand the information and it will be taking some actions. Okay. So while taking actions, it has to take the actions such that whatever actions it will give, that gives you the high success. In the artificial intelligence is the name introduced in the year 1956 by the scientist called John McCarthy, and it is defined as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, so especially intelligent computer programs. So it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. The artificial intelligence is grouped into four categories. So here the artificial intelligence definition is grouped into four categories like this: the systems that think like humans, the systems that act like humans, systems that think rationally, the systems that act rationally. These are the four groups where we define artificial intelligence. So, in the first group, that is systems that think like humans, the artificial intelligence is defined like this: that it is the existing new efforts to make the computer think, machines with minds in full or literal sense. So, it is the definition given by Housland in the year 1985. So, here the machines will be having intelligence, and here we are taking new efforts to make the computers to think. And whereas when we are defining the systems that act like human, so it is the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by the people. Okay. So we are creating the machines that perform functions. When we are performing some action, it requires some intelligence. Without intelligence, it cannot perform actions. Okay. So this is the definition given by Kurzweil in the year 1990. And the systems that think rationally, here the definition is given like this: the study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. So here we will be studying how the mind will work. Okay, so the study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. So once we find how mind works, so we are using computational models to design the mind. So this is the definition given by Charnock and McDermott in the year 1985. The systems that act rationally. Here, the computational intelligence is the study of the design of intelligent agents. So, we are designing intelligent agents. What is intelligent agent? Intelligent agent is nothing but it will perceive the information from the environment and act in the environment such that it will give the high success. Okay. So this is the definition given by Cooley in the year 1998. These are the definitions under four categories. So artificial intelligence is defined in four categories. So it is given like this. So we'll be having human-like and rationality. Rationality is nothing but ideal performance. In human-like, the machine can think like human and it can act like human. When mission here you see that missions that think like human here. Okay, so here we have machines that think rationally, means it will be thinking ideally. So the machines that behave like humans, and we have machines that behave rationally. So these are the four categories we use to define the AI approach. So here, when we are defining machines think like human, what is the approach we use to define the machines think like human is cognitive science approach. What is cognitive science approach? Here we are just studying how mind works, and that study is converted into the program such that it is interdisciplinary. The computational method of AI and how mind will work. These two are interrelated by using this cognitive science approach, so that the machines will think like human. How our mind will be working, that thinking process is written in the form of algorithm. So that approach is called cognitive science approach. When do you say that the machines behave like human? So we say that machines will behave like human when the machines are passing this Turing test. So we know that what is Turing test here? The machine will be asked questions by the human interrogator. If the machine is giving the answers such that the human interrogator cannot identify that the answers he is getting from machine or human. Okay, so the machine is giving the answers similar to human. So then we say that machine is having the intelligence, and so that the machine is behaving like human. So whenever machine passes this Turing test, then we say that machine is having some intelligence and machine is behaving like human. Then we discuss the missions that think rationally. So here we have the approach called law of thought approach. In laws of thought approach, we are using some logic. We are defining two statements. From the statement, we are obtaining the conclusion. Okay. So like that, for example, the Socrates say man is mortal. These are the two statements. From this, we can obtain the conclusion that Socrates is a mortal. Like that, we can obtain the conclusion. So here the missions are working on some laws of thought and some logic. Okay, so that is why once that logic is true, the machine is giving ideal response. It depends completely on that logic. And here we have machines that behave rationally. So here we have rational agent approach. Just now we have discussed now what is rational agent approach. Rational agent approach is a nothing but a system that receives the information from the environment. It will act in the environment such that the whatever actions it is performing, it gives you the maximum success. Okay, so so here we are designing rational agents. So if the rational agents are designed such that it is giving maximum um, successful output, if it is giving maximum successful output, then we say that machine is behaving rationally. These are the four categories the AI is defined. That is, machines that think like human, the machines that behave like human, the machines that uh, think rationally, the machines that behave rationally. These are the four approaches, and these are the four corresponding approaches to define how the machine will be thinking like human, how machine will be behaving like a human, how machine will be thinking rationally, how machine will be acting rationally. These are the four approaches we use to define how the machine will be acting in that particular environment. So this the same thing is redrawn here. This is another way to redraw. Here we have human-like performance. Here we have ideal performance. The ideal performance is nothing but the rationality. Okay. So human-like performance. No, in both the cases we have human-like. So in the upper case we have the thinking process. The machines thinking like human. In the lower case we have the machines behaving like human. Okay, so these are the four approaches we have. And Turing test just now we have discussed. No? So if the machine is passing Turing test, then we say that machine is acting humanly. Okay, so then we have discussed that. So to pass the Turing test, the machine should have the following ability. That is, it should have natural language processing, and it means what? It is able to communicate successfully in the English. Okay, because it has to give the answers. No, to give the answers, it should able to communicate successfully in the English, and to machine to store what it knows, it should have knowledge representation. What is knowledge representation? To store what it knows or hears. And what is automatic reasoning? So once whatever it is stored, no, using those, it will able to give the new conclusions. So that is called automatic reasoning. And it is also have the ability of machine learning. So what is machine learning? The machine learning is that once it gets some information, it is able to give the result in the unexpected regions also, in unexpected situations also, it is able to give the solutions. That is called machine learning. So these are the four abilities which it should have. Then we will be thinking, what is thinking rationally? Thinking rationally is what? Yeah, thinking rationally is that the it depends on laws of thought of approach, means that it will be depending on some logic. Then we'll be discussing the acting rationally, the rational agent approach. What is the rational agent approach? The rational agent approach should have the following abilities, such as operating under autonomous condition, autonomous control, and perceiving their environment, persisting over prolonged time period, adapting to the change, and being able of taking another goals. So these are the abilities it should have. Okay. So the agent which is having this ability, we can say that the system acting rationally. So these are the four definitions of AI.